See it here live, me I make sure I go. They are inside. Me a Lysol, sanitizer and rum there. We now come out. They are inside, yeah. All on the homeless. Want to try rule the people them and he can't rule the woman. There. Now come out. And journalists and the police boy them. Me there right a rock river here so. You know what I mean, you forward. Now come out. But you know there now pick up a couple rounds out of Lysol and sanitizer. You forward. And we no forward, me there and I better hide, you see me? Yeah.
Message to Corona.
We inside. Now come out. Corona can't catch me on the corner. He catch me in a house like 20 man corner.
A few moments later.
Yo, Ines, go Ines. Yo, we have him.
No,
See boy on that bed. Hey boy, come on. You think you're going to be that man? Come on. We have him. We have him. See him here, we have him. Yes. We have him. You have the right to remain silent, because anything I talk again, it will put in a more problem. So, what were you saying about the Prime Minister now, sir?
Officer Meds.
Yes.
I made a video that went viral that involved the Honorable Brogard.
Hello, address the man by name.
Sir Honorable and Joelness.
Brogan to the
Saying that-
Pananas. And also, Sir Honorable Andrew Holness, Brogard. Say,
Okay, officer. Sir Honorable Brogard and Joelness. Yes,
And-
sir.
yes.
I apologize for calling my idiot. And I also apologize to Honorable Brogard for being right. For us to stay inside.
And
And I also apologize to Officer Meds.
yes, Officer Mets.
And I also apologize to Jamaica.
Oh.
One eternity later.
Alright, people. May I beg you please, wanna listen to Mr. Holness. Now make him, hey, you know say if he send me phone with that
Yeah,
big
man.
spoon. And then I'm sitting in come and lick two boy out tennis in the man.
Yes, we
And
are
then I
out.
see the police start getting no and then put out your gun. We don't really want to kill nobody, we just want to learn them a lesson for them here. So just part of that big spoon man, yes, squad of them are sitting on the start part now.
Make sure you subscribe.